Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soup from a can. First, carefully open your can of soup using a can opener. Then, pour the contents into a microwave-safe bowl or a saucepan, depending on your preferred heating method. You might want to add a small amount of water or broth, perhaps 1/4 of a cup, to thin it out slightly if it's too thick. This simple start sets you up for a delicious, quick meal. Now it's time to heat your soup. If using a microwave, heat on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring halfway through to ensure even heating. For stovetop heating, pour the soup into a saucepan and warm it over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it's hot. Always make sure the soup reaches a safe internal temperature, steaming gently, before serving to enjoy it safely. To elevate your canned soup, consider adding some simple enhancements. Stir in fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a burst of flavor. A dash of hot sauce or a pinch of freshly ground black pepper can also make a big difference. You could even incorporate some cooked vegetables like spinach or leftover protein, such as shredded chicken, to make it a more substantial meal. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious enhanced soup. A classic pairing is a side of crusty bread or some crackers for dipping. For an extra touch, garnish your bowl with a dollop of sour cream, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, or even some croutons. Enjoy your warm, comforting meal immediately. It's amazing how a few simple steps can transform a can of soup into something special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.